Tada! I'm Joseph and I'm going to answer your questions from Reddit. Kasi hindi siya trabaho. Parang ano siya, may... Sa amin medyo masakis lang isipin na there's a sense of purpose why you do it, so you don't stop. Diba? Parang, I always go back to, doon sa nalagay ko rin sa Reddit na, yung isang case study namin sa Abra, na bata na may sakit, and namatay siya after naman gawa ng story, na parang, ilang bata yung meron sa Pilipinas na gano'n, na who needs to be heard. So for as long as there are kids like that, dapat nandun and doing our job properly. Netflix, pag weekend, pwede ba yun? Yeah, I mean, we're normal people, we like doing things na ginagawa rin naman ng and you hang out with your friends. Sometimes you listen to music. And sometimes you're too tired. You just, tulog lang. And yung tuwing ginagawa tayo for election years, yung mga pag-election year, yung mga poorest provinces, yung mga underserved ng mga communities. Kasi what they have to realize, yung mga government leaders, pag yung mga tao sa mga far-flung areas na halos wala nang maisip kung paano sila mabuhay, kakapit talaga sa gobyerno yan, di ba? Parang huwag ka naman maging selfish na isipin mo naman yung mga yun, di ba? Kaya nga ikaw nagpresinta ng sarili mo to serve. So, ang gawain namin is tingnan namin kung ginagawa mo yung sinabi mong gagawin. Ganun siya kasimple. So, kumbaga kung may mga no-offend na officials, ba't ganun ka-critical yung media na parang hindi naman po kami nagsabi sa inyo magpolitiko kayo, di ba? You presented yourself. Kung gusto lang namin malaman is, are you being true to what you said you're going to do? Hindi, over time kasi you meet people, you interact with people. So, if you have a value system, sometimes nag-tweak ka ng konti. And if you have a set of opinions, sometimes they change. Diba? And as you grow older, ganun din. Naiiba yung perspective mo. So, I think it's gradual. But hopefully, it's for the better. In a sense na, ang ina-absorb ko ay yung medyo matitino naman na point of view. Honestly. I mean, I'm an adult. You can tell me everything. Be able to hopefully understand. Di ba? Kasi naman maghuhulaan. Tama na yung tantanan na yung hula-hulaan. I'd rather na lay it out on the table and then let's see. Ang hirap nung nagtatago kasi parang sa akin naglalay ka. So parang yun sa akin.
Do you like honesty?
I do in all aspects. Kasi parang, di ba, adult ka eh. I mean, you can be frank with me. Di ba, parang at least klaro yung where we stand. Hindi yung sabihin mo ito, tapos even sa ako, mas gusto ko yung mga candid na mga officials eh. Diba? Na parang yung mga wala pang filter. Anong channel? Charot. Ako naman. Hindi ko na nakikita sa beat. Take it from somebody who's old. You will survive these things and you will be better. Tired. Hindi, tired, lonely. Char! Ay, I can sing, ha? Bakit magbibigay ka ba? Ngayon pang... Papatula ko yan. I can sing. Hate is that you don't have enough time. Bitin lagi siya. Diba? Na parang, especially with our work, talagang ilalagay mo, ipaplanuhin mo pa siya kung kailan mo ka mauwi, ilang araw ka sa probinsya, na parang I wish I have more time. What I like is the festivities, especially with the kids. Na parang ako na yung Santa Claus. The gift probably of friendship. Yung meron ka pa rin makausap. Na kahit hindi siguro nagkakaintindi. Parang, sino ka nga ulit? Hindi, yung ano lang, na hindi ka lonely. Diba? Do you ever tire of giving? And who gives you gifts? Obvious naman yung mga reindeer, di ba? Ay, kung may Pilipino doon. I'm sure mayroong Pilipino doon. Di ba? Akala mo North Pole na yun, baka mamaya kasama pa niya na yun. No, Filipino. Kung may tao doon. I think there was a time when we launched Palitang Hali, and then I was reading my script. Tapos akala, on air na siya. So binuton ako. And then sabi sa akin, oh, ano, wrap up na. Tapos nagngangangak ako sa TV, tapos nakasplit si Rafi. Tapos sabi na lang ni Rafi, babalikan po natin si Joseph. Tapos nagngangangak ako doon na parang sobrang ugly. Parang shit, nakakaya yun. Tapos ang unang sinabi ni Ma'am Grace, wag na. May I have wings here? Kasi traffic, di ba? Hindi, joke. Yung, para wag medyo late na ako sa coverage. No, but that tattoo, pwede ka na show it ba? Eh, hindi ka naman show. Sabi ko. Yan. Tapos meron niyang Be Not Afraid. This was in 2016 nung nagkaroon ng emergency yung mommy ko. Really bad emergency. And then, she was going to be operated on. Tapos, I went to the chapel in the hospital. And the first phrase that came into my mind, Be Not Afraid. So, sabi ko, I have to remember that phrase. And then wings, because, you know, if you learn to trust, parang light siya. And you just have to, like, submit. Yung submission, mahirap sa reporter yon kasi parang we need to control things, ganyan. But as you grow older and in life, I think one of the more important lessons that you can learn is to submit. Yung parang, Lord, bala ka na. It makes life easier lang. Make me sweat. Water. I like this song. Water. And then, alam mo yung Halo ni Beyonce? And then, there's one more. Gusto ko yung kay, Chris Brown yung Crawl. I always keep that on repeat. Yung Crawl kasi parang may regret stuff. More patient. I think I want to be more patient. Na parang kasi sanay kami na pag you set out in one day, pack, na-achieve mo agad. But hindi naman lahat nasa control mo. So I need to be more patient with things and medyo less irritable. Pero baka hindi na rin yung magawa yun. Yeah, yun. Parang less irritable lang siguro. Na you are blessed. Na it's going to be very difficult growing up. Pero somehow, meron kang guidance na you'll always get what you want. Spoiled. Hindi, na parang hindi. You're blessed na for as long as you have a parang good intention in your heart, siya, may gabay lagi. Bibiruan kami sa office, parang malakas ako manalangin. So I think I wanna believe that na, yeah. And maybe there's a purpose for that. Guys, thank you for watching, and I hope that you follow GMA Integrated News in all our social media accounts. We're everywhere: TikTok, Reddit, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. So when you need us, andun kami for you.